Yo, hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this Battlefield 6 errors on your PC that stops your game from launching or crashes it immediately. Let's begin. First, open your Windows search bar and type DXDIAG. Over here, I'll show you, okay? So here is my start menu. I'm going to type DXDIAG and then left click on this. This opens the DirectX diagnostic tool, and you can look at the bottom of the window and check your DirectX version right over here. Okay, if it's less than version 12, you actually need to update this. So we need to go to our browser then and search for DirectX Windows 10 or 11 download. Okay, so make sure to select the appropriate one for your Windows OS. Here you will see the download button. Unzip the file, run the program, and go through the installation wizard. Once done, you can now close everything, restart your computer, and you should now be able to fix and play Battlefield 6 immediately. However, if you're still experiencing the errors, you can go to NVIDIA GeForce application. Now, if you're still having issues, I want you to either open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience application or the AMD Adrenalin. And once you have successfully updated your GPU, you can also restart your computer. Once you're back on your screen, go ahead, launch Battlefield 6, and all of those problems and issues should now be gone. That's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.